Evaporation and transpiration. So how the stomata open and close and how much they are big or small is controlled by guard cells. Here we can see these guard cells. In the right, they are closing the stomata, and on the left, we see the stomata are open, the guard cells are allowing them to be open. So for every one of the stomata, we have two guard cells that control its state, whether it's open or closed, as well as its size. When the stomata are open, the plants lose water vapor through them as well, not just oxygen. Water evaporates from the cells lining the air spaces and passes out of the leaf through stomata by diffusion. We know that the xylem carries water from the roots up to the leaves for photosynthesis, and we know that photosynthesis needs the sunlight, energy from the sun. So the plants are subjected to the sun, but the sun also gives heat. We have energy as heat. This heat is going to heat up the water in the leaves of the plant, and some of this water will evaporate. It will become water vapor. Water vapor will leave the cell into the air spaces by simple diffusion, of course, because the cells of the plant leaves will have the water. So there's a concentration gradient. So the water vapor will diffuse out of the cells into the air spaces, and when the stomata are open, the water vapor will leave into the air because, again, we have a concentration gradient. The air spaces will be filled with water vapor. It will be a higher concentration than the atmosphere. This loss of water vapor is known as transpiration, and it's a good thing, and it's actually an important thing. Why? Because as water evaporates from the surface of leaves, more water is pulled up through the xylem to replace it. This happens again by osmosis and by diffusion. This is all known as the transpiration stream, and this is why transpiration is important.